in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to put your ASUS laptop into sleep mode using a keyboard shortcut. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The easiest way on a lot of laptops will actually have a moon or a crescent moon icon. If you tap that, it should turn your computer or put your computer into low power mode or sleep mode. So that's the first thing I'd recommend looking at. There may also be additional options, like if you had the Fn and the F4 or F1 key combination on your keyboard, if you want to tap that. If you Google your specific make and model of a ASUS laptop, it may vary depending on the model, but there's usually another keyboard shortcut that can put your computer into sleep mode. If you tap the Alt and the F4 key on your keyboard, it can open up the shutdown window prompt, and you can then select sleep. It's a little bit outside of the scope of this tutorial because, it does involve a prompt on the screen. There's additional steps you have to go through, but you can open up this old dialog window as well, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.